Everyone, welcome back to TestCube's YouTube channel. If you're new here, TestCube is a Kubernetes native testing framework that helps you run, execute all your tests inside your Kubernetes cluster for your Kubernetes applications. With TestCube, you run everything inside your cluster. You can run any testing tool you want because we store your tests as CRDs. You can decouple your testing system and workflow from your CI/CD pipeline, and you can create your own centralized quality control plane where you get a whole view, eagle eye view of your test results and your test artifacts or your test output files. Today, we're going to be covering all of the updates and everything that went down November from TestCube team and the TestCube community, so you can catch up with us. If you want these and all other TestCube updates, don't forget to sign up to our monthly newsletter. I will leave the sign up down below. So without further ado, let's get started. As per every month, we have a new release for November. TestCube 1.16 is out, and we're looking at several general fixes that aim to make your experience better and smoother. It's a small but mighty update, okay? So we added a new option to automatically set your working directory for all your tests under specific executors. So you can now do this right from your executor CRD by using the use data dir as working dir option. Also, your pre and post run scripts can also be executed from your working directory. We also expanded the environment variables in the argument list and added CURL utility for all pre-built executors. Now, if you like to suffer with regex, you can now do so with test triggers, all right? Because with this release, we've introduced support for regex during resource selection for test triggers. We've also added the option to download artifacts when running test suites right from your command line using the download artifacts option. And we updated all MongoDB indexes to provide you with much better query performance. We also released a lot of content on CI/CD testing to get you out of pipeline hell. All right, we got you. And that includes a very thorough zero to hero guide starting on the current challenges of testing in your CI/CD pipeline, why it shouldn't be hard to tackle them. And then we jump to how to use TestCube with different CI/CD tools, including Jenkins, GitHub Actions, and GitLab CI, which, by the way, we just added awesome tutorials on using the first two. So if you head over to our Learn section on our website, you'll find both guides for Jenkins and GitHub Actions, in which you'll see how to trigger tests from based on your pull requests and making merging or other decisions based on test results as well. So make sure to check that out too. And finally, we're also providing you with information on GitOps testing. So our team worked on updating our guides for Argo CD, and we also have an existing guide on using Flux. So whatever tool you use, we got it covered, okay? Moving on to community. Earlier in November, we attended KubeCon North America in Chicago, and it was such a blast to hang out with all of you, meeting you, gift away all the plushies, all the t-shirts, all the swag, and just simply hear and listen to how you and your teams are doing testing and how you're using TestCube specifically. So getting all your feedback is always our favorite thing, so thank you so much for stopping by. We also surpassed 1,000 GitHub stars earlier this month, which is huge. And we're so thrilled that everyone is responding so well to the project, providing valuable inputs, coming to us with great feedback, GitHub issues, you name it. Thank you so much. We really appreciate everything. And well, obviously, if you haven't given us a star, what are you waiting for? I'll leave the link down below. Speaking of the TestCube community, this month we'd like to shout out two of our stellar contributors who wrote amazing articles about TestCube. Peter, who wrote a great article on testing Java Spring REST-based applications with the Maven build tool, and Alex, who wrote about doing continuous performance testing with K6 and TestCube. So make sure to check those out and show them some love. This month, we also continued opening our virtual office doors to you through TestCube office hours And this time we just went all aboard the CI/CD ship. Okay, we were all over the CI/CD bandwagon, and we covered Jenkins, how to implement it. So if you missed that and you'd like to watch the recordings, they're available in our YouTube channel. And that's it for November. It was quite a busy month. But it went by with a breeze. Make sure to try all of TestCube's new features in app.testcube.io. If you have any requests, if you have any feedback, come chat with us. If you want to schedule a demo, of course, as well, reach out. If you haven't joined our Discord server, what are you waiting for? We're all hanging out over there, okay? So come join us, talk to us. We'd love to have a conversation with you and hear how you and your teams are using TestCube. If you want some goodies as well, schedule a demo with us and we'll make it work, all right? And finally, last reminder, if you want all these updates right in your inbox, make sure to sign up to our newsletter. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for helping us redefine Kubernetes testing done right. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.